Hey guys, my name is Sander. Today I will show you how to make these perfect rounded corners on your table using one simple jig. Grab yourself a piece of scrap plywood and let's go. I took a bucket which has my preferred diameter and I marked it with a pencil. I clamped it down and I cut it out with my jigsaw, making sure to stay proud of the line. At the spindle sander, I sand it down to the line, making a perfect circle. Next, I mark where my stops will be located and cut them down on the miter saw using another piece of scrap plywood. Pre-drill 2 holes in each piece. Next, I cut the template down to the final size using the table saw. I pre-drilled some holes in the template as well and screwed the 2 stops on the template. Next, I placed the template on the table's corner and transferred the line. I repeated this on every corner. Just like before, I cut it out with a jigsaw, making sure to stay proud of the line. Put the template back on and clamp it down. I took my router with a flush trim bit using the template as a guide for the bearing. I noticed my router bumped up against the stop because it wasn't aligned right while screwing it in. I fixed this at the spindle sander. Using the flush trim bit, I copied the template on the table, making a perfect circle. I repeated this on every corner of the table. Off camera, I rounded over the table's edges with a roundover bit and sanded the table's corners. If this video is helpful for you, like it and subscribe. For more woodworking tips, click the video on the screen right now.